Hypnotherapy. What is a hypnotherapy session like? Relaxing, soothing, comforting, relieving. It's like a spa for the mind. Many people are nervous at the idea of receiving hypnotherapy and are afraid of being in a trance and losing control. There is no loss of control. You are always aware of what is happening, and it very much is like sitting comfortably and relaxing while listening to positive thoughts and concepts that create pleasant images. There is a difference between hypnosis and hypnotherapy. Hypnosis is used to entertain, but hypnotherapy is used to enhance self-improvement strategies and techniques. I'm not a hypnotist. I'm a certified clinical hypnotherapist. The distinction is significant. Certified. I was trained and certified at the only accredited college for hypnotherapy, Hypnosis Motivation Institute, HMI. Clinical, extensive training and medical treatment applications required for the clinical certification. My clinical certification authorizes and qualifies me to administer hypnotherapy for medical situations such as trauma, phobias, and even surgery to reduce or eliminate the need for anesthesia. As a hypnotherapist, I'm an expert in suggestibility and how to adapt and apply it for therapeutic purposes. I strongly encourage hypnotherapy as an effective tool to recondition the mind towards new behavior, modifying old unwanted ones into new, exciting, positive feelings and perceptions. Being hypnotized is not at all like it is in the movies or on stage. It seems easy, and everyone is hypnotizable if the professional understands the client's suggestibility. First, a few easy tests are done to determine the suggestibility, and then a relaxing, soothing session of hypnotherapy is used to calm and relax the body and mind. Once the right level of suggestibility is attained, positive suggestions are given to reinforce the new behavior while you remain aware and relaxed. The whole time enjoying the process. You emerge feeling refreshed, invigorated, and vibrant, feeling more capable than ever before. It's that simple. So here's some hypnotherapy myths. 1. Hypnosis can make you do things you don't want to do. No. Hypnotherapy works with suggestions and does not have the ability to command or control a client. Suggestions are provided while the person is in a suggestible condition, and suggestions must be accepted by the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind will not accept anything that it is opposed to. You are fully aware of everything the entire time. Myth number 2, it's a placebo. It doesn't work. Hypnotherapy works well with anyone and everyone. It does not brainwash. It merely provides the imagery and conceptual support the mind needs to follow through. It gives us the so-called second wind needed to continue and succeed in the efforts we are already applying. Myth number 3, it only works on highly suggestible people. Everyone is suggestible to positive imagery and concepts, especially when they're aligned with your goals. There are 2 types of suggestibility, inferential and literal, and most people are more suggestible to one or the other. My methods fold both into a session in such a subtle way that the subconscious is accepting of the one it prefers. Your suggestibility is determined prior to being provided your sessions. Another myth, it can turn a bad behavior off and changes. I wish. If it worked like that, I could have retired a long time ago. Hypnotherapy needs to be combined with cognitive strategies and exercises. Your hypnotherapist can't snap her fingers and make you thin, rich, or perfect. What hypnotherapy does is give a turbo boost to your efforts. Hypnotherapy will enable you to try more and harder at your goals. Another myth, you can get stuck in hypnosis. Once the session is over, suggestibility ends entirely. Even while hypnotized, you are only suggestible to the suggestions applied to your goal and nothing else. As a matter of fact, once your hypnotherapy session is over, you will be less suggestible to things that normally affect you negatively. You would like to take advantage of suggestibility as an enhancement to your solution, first begin by answering the primary questions. These few questions are essential to providing you with the appropriate hypnotherapy session for your specific suggestibility. A few questions needed to determine your suggestibility have been provided to you on the handout and on my website. You can push pause on this recording, take a look at those, answer them, and then come back and push play. Okay, you're back. Prepare for your hypnotherapy session well in advance. Follow the guidelines provided here, several hours or even a day in advance of your hypnotherapy time to prepare for your hypnotherapy session. 1. Select a place you can be undisturbed. The quieter the better, but most important is to not be interrupted. 2. Establish a comfortable place to sit or recline. The best position is to recline. Your legs extended, feet out and not crossed. Please do not be supine or lying down. Arms on armrest or extended to the side. Palms down, normal and relaxed. If you must sit upright, feet on the floor, not crossed. A lounge type chair or sofa is best, reclined in a casual, normal manner. You can even do your hypnotherapy in your car if you can be undisturbed. Recline the seat, adjust the audio volume, and take a break. 3. Prepare your audio device. Test to be sure it works is charged and that the volume is comfortable. Not too loud, but not so soft you have to strain to hear. Try to place it near, but not on you or right next to you. A normal distance I would have from you if I were with you in person. And number 4, adjust your expectations. You are not entering a trance, nor is it necessary. Deep trance-like states are less effective than lighter ones. Simply follow along with the session, doing your best to think of and visualize what is suggested to you. Number 5, do not be full, do not be hungry. It is best to be comfortable without food on your mind. It is advisable to eat easily digested food an hour or 2 prior, toast or cereal, for example, and to be alert and awake. It is less productive to have your session soon after the end of a stressful day or too soon from waking. The language of the mind is images, not words. If I go to a foreign country and say I want an apple, the locals may not understand what I am saying. However, if I show them a picture of an apple, fruit is on its way. All that matters during your suggestibility session is to follow these suggestions and listen. Your subconscious mind will do the rest. If you're giving the apple, you don't need instructions, do you? You know what to do with it, and your subconscious mind knows how to sort and apply the suggestions and imagery provided in your session. Don't analyze. You can do that after or between sessions or not at all. Relax the best you can, get comfortable, and follow along. I hope this has been enlightening and helpful. If you want to know more and have a free session and consultation, I'm at your service. Learn self-hypnosis. Join me for a free workshop and learn how to apply self-hypnosis to solve bad habits, anxiety, depression, ADD, and way more. Hypnotherapy can make the impossible possible. It enhances and empowers your efforts to change your mind and change your life. I'm not just a certified hypnotherapist, but a behavioral specialist, certified with the Board of Behavioral Sciences in private practice since 2005. My certification in hypnotherapy is from the only accredited hypnotherapy college in the world, HMI, and I am clinically certified, which allows me to administer hypnosis for medical issues from trauma and phobias to disorders and even surgery. This workshop will be open to the public. It will be live streamed and locals can attend in person. All who register will be able to join live or use the link to download later. 2 opportunities to attend. Thursday, June 25th at 4:45 p.m., live stream from Aptos, California. And Saturday, June 27th at 3:15 from the London Nelson Center in Santa Cruz. Go to life-mind.com for details and to register.